Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change WizTree settings step by step. Customizing WizTree settings lets you adjust how the application scans drives, displays information, and behaves during everyday use. So let's get started. First, open WizTree on your Windows computer. If prompted, allow it to run with administrator privileges. Once the application opens, look for the Options, Settings, or Preferences menu near the top of the window, depending on the version you're using. Next, open the Settings window and browse through the available options. You may find settings related to scan behavior, display preferences, file exclusions, startup options, and other features that you can customize to match your workflow. If you want to change how results are displayed, adjust the available view or display options. You can customize columns, modify the way information is presented, or configure other preferences to make it easier to analyze your storage usage. After making your changes, click OK, Apply, or simply close the settings window if your version saves changes automatically. Then perform a new scan to make sure your updated settings are working as expected. If something doesn't work the way you intended, you can always return to the settings menu and adjust the options again. Some versions of WizTree may also include a way to restore the default settings if you want to start over. Keeping your settings configured the way you prefer can make WizTree easier to use and help you analyze your drives more efficiently every time you run a scan. And that's it. You now know how to change WizTree settings and customize the application to better fit your needs. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect local send on the same Wi-Fi